Famous idli vendor. Swami and his wife Lakshmi lived with their son in the city of Surat. A few years ago, Swami, along with his friend Jignesh, had opened a small South Indian hotel. The hotel was doing very well.
Swami, stamp your fingerprint here.
What paper is this?
This is to register the hotel in our names. I have already signed it. Now you do it too.
Sure, brother. Whatever you say.
Swami was illiterate, so he always just did what Jignesh told him to do. Swami had no idea what paper he had just signed. One whole month passed by. One day, when Swami went to the hotel, the name seemed to have changed.
Brother, why does it say Jignesh Restaurant outside?
Because now this hotel is in my name.
What? What are you saying, brother? But I have given up my whole life to make this hotel, brother.
You yourself have signed over the hotel to me.
What?
Remember that court paper that you had signed? Do you remember?
You have betrayed me. Why did you do this?
Swami grabbed Jignesh by the collar. Angry Jignesh got really angry and he kicked Swami out of the hotel. Swami was really upset. He went to meet a lawyer and explained his situation to him.
We can sue him, brother. But it will cost you a lot of money.
When can I get my share back?
I can't really say. Approximately 4 years, even perhaps 6 years.
Feeling disappointed, Swami went home and he started crying. Why are you crying? What happened? Please tell me.
Everything is destroyed. Everything is gone. My hotel. Jignesh betrayed me and took my hotel. What will I do now? I don't understand. What will I do?
Swami explained the whole story to his wife Lakshmi. He held her and sobbed. You don't worry. Karma will surely come for Jignesh. But now you have to be brave. You can't just keep crying like this. Please be brave.
But what do I do now? That hotel was my only source of income. I don't even know how to do anything except running a hotel.
Don't worry. The two of us can figure it out together. Swami and Lakshmi both began thinking about what they can do. Suddenly, Lakshmi remembered her idlis. You really like my idlis, right?
Yes.
And the kids say that I make idlis better than any hotel can.
Well, what about it?
We will set up a small idli stall. I'll make the idlis and you can sell them.
But how will you manage the house and the children? No, Lakshmi. I don't think it's a good idea.
You don't worry about all that. It will all be fine. Just trust me. We won't even need any money to set up our idli stall. The next day, Lakshmi finished all her chores and got the children ready to go to school. Then she and Swami set up their idli stall on the side of the road. Some customers tried it out. Really yummy idlis.
Thank you.
I am going to come every day to eat your idlis.
Yes, sure. Please come.
The idlis were really so good. that customers kept coming back for more. In just 2 days, there was a long line waiting to get their idlis at the stall. I want 3 plates of idlis and 2 for me. Lakshmi would make the idlis fresh and Swami would take care of the service. The husband and wife duo really worked well together. The customers would get tasty idlis and didn't even have to wait too long for it. That's why all the customers were very happy. 1 week later, Swami was counting their earnings from the stall. He was shocked.
Oh my god.
What happened?
Do you know how much we have earned?
How much?
15,000 rupees. This is more than even the hotel's weekly earnings.
Oh wow! That's great news! Are you happy now? 1 month later, Swami went back to the lawyer. He gave the lawyer a bundle of cash.
Here you go, your fees. Now bring me my share.
Very good. That's great. Now you will get your hotel back soon.
After a few months, the lawyer visited Swami and Lakshmi's stall.
Oh, hello sir. What are you doing here? Please, come have some of my famous idlis.
Yes, I will eat that for sure. But before that, I need to talk to you.
About what?
I have to give you a good news.
Please tell me, sir.
The court has given its ruling in your favor. Now you are the lone owner of the entire hotel. And Jignesh will be jailed for 3 years.
What?
Swami hugged Lakshmi. They were both overwhelmed with joy. Lakshmi fed the lawyer her famous idlis.
Oh, yummy. Swami, now I know why your stall is so famous. Delicious, truly delicious.
Thank you, sir. I'll pack some for you. Take some home for your family.
Oh, yes. Please, I will take some.
The lawyer not only ate the food, but he also took some home. Happiness returned in Swami and Lakshmi's lives. After 6 months, Swami went back to his hotel. The first thing that he did was change the name of the restaurant. Jignesh Restaurant turned into Lakshmi's Idli House. Just like the stall, the hotel too was overflowing with customers. That's how a housewife helped her husband and made him successful.